Hello, today we will be solving medium problem again. Let me share screen. Sum of even number after queries. You're given an integer array nums, an array of queries, where is value I index I. For each query I, first apply nums index is num index for value 1. Okay, and then print the sum of even value of nums. For each query I, first apply. Okay, so we have for query we have index. Then print the sum of even values of nums. Return an integer array. Answer the answer I is the answer of I's query. For example, we have number 1, 2, 3 queries. So for 1 we add 0. Right? So, value index. For 0, we had 1, so it's become 4. At the beginning of the array, we add in 1 to nums 0. The array is, the sum of even value is 8. After adding -3 to the num, and the sum of even values is 6. I -1, and the sum of even number. Okay, so even number is 2. Oh, they has to be even, like all of them. All right. So how about we do solution in like first what we're gonna do, we gonna add all even numbers to some. So you see brute force solution for this will be doing it straightforwardly, right? So first we iterate number in nums or q in queries. And we add num. What we're gonna do, we're gonna nums q. First is index. No, first is value equal. We add q value, right, which is 0. Then for all nums, we calculate if n is even, then print the sum for each query I. First find nums, then print the sum of each number. By return integer array, answer the answer is the answer of each query. Okay, so this is the beginning. So we have to first we have to add the thing, and then we collect all even, which is 8, and we put 8 here. So this is why it becomes 8, 6, 2, 4. Okay, let's do this in brute force first, because I don't see any how we can optimize it. So if equals 0, we add it to, so let's say we call index as right, and then we go here, we add it to, and we return mouse. I cannot type return today. Return mouse. That's it. So let's try run it, see it. And if it will have timeouts, we may think how to optimize it. So we have to add everything except this index. So we do iterate or enumerate nums. We have index number and if, and let's call it I2, I not equal I2. Yes, so queries first is the index, second is a value. We added it. But we are not changing here. After adding -3 to the nums 1, soon is even 6. Yes, so we have to build the result array. And instead of adding result, we will have result here. Oh, and we return result, not nums. And we have 0 multiplied by len of nums. But my question is, should we run queries first? Return the integer array. Answer is answer to is q. Hmm. Okay, so you were given numbers array and array queries were queries something wrong, and I understand what is wrong. So do I have to also get index of query and use it and use so first is index, right? Index what we have to do, and then index of a number, and then we add result to a query index. So here we run through the query. Yeah, so we have 2, 2, 3, 2, exactly like we need to, right? And then here we add int result IQ. Or just print result. So we have 6 on the top. Then we have 2 minus 3, 3, 4, and then we have 6. So second one become also 6. Then we add in minus 4, and the sum is even become 2. Wait, but we have 2, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, and why this is 6? Because and sum of even values is 2 by 2 by 4. So we enumerate nums. And with index and value, and if value is equal and index is not equal, is it a bad thing to use this? Yeah, this was a bad thing. Okay, I did it as like instructed. Let's see if we can run it through and if we can get answer and not TOC. TOE. TOE timeout error? Yeah, timeout exceeded. Okay, so this we are getting something for sure. 53. We are so obviously brute force solution is square solution, right? So we did it with O and square, which is not good. So we have to figure out what we're doing, what repeating work we are doing here. If I run like this, right? I enumerate. Wait, how can I test cases? Okay, let's remove this test case for a little bit. So the problem is that I'm adding all the time numbers. But maybe it could be a different strategy. If we calculate, for example, if we calculate sum on every iteration, right? We have a prev sum. Let's store prev sum. Right? So we calculated sum, which is 8. Next, when it's coming, we are adding -3. So our sum will be less than so yeah, let's assign old number to nums e. And then we can say if old is even, then it will be, else it's odd, so it will be removed completely from the game. So we can say result IQ, we are removing old completely, so it's not there anymore. Then if it's even, it will be decreased in some way. So we can say it could be p-sum. Did I call it p-sum? No. So, for example, if we have a p-sum equal to none, right? We can say if p-sum, then we do this. Else, then we do this. So here I can say I stored, and I can say that p-sum will be plus old minus new right? Else we completely removing all. And then we add in some. Otherwise, we calculating and we add in some equal this guy. Yeah, I think it should be like this. Plus one. Okay, let's run through really quick. Okay, so we have nums here. So first we calculate psum as first we run through the query, right? And we have this nums in. We add q0 value, right? So we have two. We can print nums. Then it's not psum is none. We go here, we go through everything, and we assign psum print sum and res. Okay, so psum is 8, we calculate it is 8, we go further. Then we add -3, here it's -1. So we are changing from 4 -3 so we add -3 to first one, which is 2 -3. So we so if alt was even and new which is this one, right? Is even and new is even. If new is even, then we go through here. Else we go through here. So What if old wasn't even and new is even? Else, if new is even, oh yeah. Well, so the main idea is to cover cases if we're changing number from even, yeah, so it's working now. From even and not even, we have to correct difference in sum as we go. So if number was even, then we are correcting it. Here you go, 19%. Yeah, that's bad. Still bad. Yeah, it's probably there is a more trickier way to do it. Yeah, let me save this. So I'm keeping my notes with all my solutions. I'm trying to, like, I don't know, uh, take some getaways from, not getaways but takeaways. Sorry, takeaways from what I'm doing. I like trying to, like, for save it for maybe for further review, to make all these patterns stick, because I noticed that sometimes I repeating the problem and I don't remember how did I solve it and what is important for this. Yeah, so let's take a look at what other people are doing. So they're like sum of all even. It's a really nice way to take even sum. For every query, if it's even, we retract. Otherwise, we add. Oh, okay. So this is like clever way to add value. And then if new number is even, then we add it to even sum. And then we type line. So yeah, it's faster. So it's kind of the same but a different way. Shorter code and more elegant, elegant code than mine. Less if statement and less convoluted. So yeah. Yeah, it's 30 minutes. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.